What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into VANKYO X200 true wireless earbuds. Come with the features like 120 hours of playtime and a quick charge. And each earbud will give you a talk time of 5 hours, playtime of 7 hours, and all together using the charging case you're gonna get about 120 hours. That's not bad at all. And on top of it, using the charging case, 10 minutes of charge will give you a playtime of 1 hour. That is a pretty quick and good enough to have. More comfortable and fit seal. 3 size of flexible silicone ear tips with the inner trap available. Universally compatible to go with all Bluetooth enabled mobile phones and tablet, laptops and whatever you have. Running Bluetooth version 5.0, which will help you to have a low latency if you're watching movies and TV shows on your Bluetooth enabled devices or making calls too. Now, process of pairing these earbuds with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward, and between the earbuds is straightforward as well, as soon they're going to get powered automatically. Let's not forget the superior stereo and sound quality. Alpha X200 provides a truly authentic sound and a powerful bass performance with the 8mm large size speaker driver, and the driver area is 1.7 times than a normal size driver you see in most of the true wireless earbuds. Come with IPX8 sweat and water resistant, so technically you are protected using these earbuds from the sweat and the rain water, no problem whatsoever. Now over here you also have a touch multifunctional control button with the LED status indicator light, and the smart touch control is fantastic actually. Press once left or right you can play and pause, press twice left you can skip the song, press twice to the right you can fast forward the song, and to attend the call press once on left or right to answer or hang up the call. Volume control by a long press on left and right. And if you press left or right 3 times, you can activate your Siri or voice assistant on your mobile phone too. Now from the looks and design side, I can only say one thing about these earbuds. They are elegant, pretty straightforward to go for. Now when you wear these earbuds, you're going to see them, they're going to fit snug in your ears. And it's not that really easy for them to come off your ears at all. Let me shake it for you. I've shook myself, but still the earbuds are in my ears. No problem whatsoever. Now let's have a look into the microphone performance of this Alpha X200 earbuds. I'm using my mobile phone with the memo application, recording all the sound which is coming onwards. You can actually see the difference between the microphone of my camera as well as from this Alpha X200. I suppose that would give you an idea. I have been using these earbuds from last couple of days just to see their performance of the battery and the sound quality it comes out of it. And so far so good, to be honest with you. I have to mention this one out to all of you that the sound isolation which you get from these earbuds is fantastic, even without having active noise cancellation being on. Now I can't really hear anything in the background at all. There will be some noises, I'm sure. My kids are chittering on the back as well, so I'm sure the microphone of this camera will pick it all up, but I can't really hear them when I got this Alpha X200 in my ears. Now for the point of sound quality, I have to mention to you that guys, they are not the loudest earbuds I have ever used. But the bass is perfect, to be honest with you, and the vocals and all the trebles which comes out of it is fantastic, very much clear, and it's a bargain for the price you are paying for it and the quality you are getting out of it. You have also seen the sample of audio recording. I have not checked it myself, but you would have got an idea that how good it was or bad it was. Well, I suppose I gave you enough information about these earbuds to make your call easier, that are these earbuds for you or not. They're not really a very expensive one, so they won't break your bank. And if you still have any more reservations, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help on that too. And if you'd like to purchase them, link for that is also available in video description. That will be all guys. See ya. Bye bye.